How to add prepaid card to Google Pay. Open the Wallet app on your phone, and in there select the option to add a card. You can usually find this button that I've highlighted on the home screen. When you are prompted to scan your card, you can either use your camera to read the prepaid card or enter the details manually. Keep in mind that you will have to include all the details about the card. If you need a zip code, you can use the one off your home address, as it should be the same as the billing address. If the card is accepted within Google Pay, it will appear under your wallet. You can manage it at any time and repeat this process with as many prepaid cards as you have. If the card is not accepted within your wallet for whatever reason, usually because the issuer of the card does not work with Google Pay, there is no workaround today, and you will not be able to add the prepaid card to Google Pay. Thanks for watching.